Who is that little boy who wants to fight with the Goliath? Has he lost his mind? How can he fight with a champion, 9 feet tall giant? Definitely he's going to die, and we're going to be slaves of the Philistines today.
He's David, the youngest son of Jesse. His 3 older brothers are with us in this battle, and I heard that David was a shepherd boy.
What? A shepherd boy? Oh no, it's insane. And look at him! He's not wearing any armors or helmet, and he doesn't have even sword or shield.
Oh my god, it's true! David's carrying a small shepherd bag, and there is just a sling in his hand. What is he thinking? He thinks he can beat the giants with all the protective gears and weapons. Crazy little boy. Let's prepare a funeral for him.
A funeral? Nope, no way. We can't even find his dead body to bury after the fight. Goliath's going to rip him to pieces.
Oh yeah, totally agreed. Oh, poor boy David.
When Goliath looked David over and saw that he was only a boy, he was disappointed and despised David.
Are you kidding? This little boy? Did you really choose the baby to fight with me? The champion? Are you looking down on me? I've been waiting for 40 days to fight a man. A really man who is able to kill me, not a baby. Well, what can I do? It's your choice. Now I'm going to kill this boy. And you Israelites are going to be our subject and going to serve us, Philistines. You little boy, do you think that small sling can kill me? Come here, I will kill you and give your little flesh to the birds and the beasts.
David was standing still fearlessly. Yes, I'm a just little boy who came to fight with only 5 stones and 1 small sling, but I can be the biggest and strongest man in God's power. I'm not afraid of you at all. You giant came against me with sword, spear, and javelin, but I came against you in the name of the Lord Almighty, the God of armies of Israel, whom you have defied. Today, the Lord will hand you over me, and I will strike you down, so the whole world will know that there is a God in here, and it is not by sword or spear that the Lord saves. When Goliath was trying to attack David, he ran quickly toward to the Goliath, took out a stone, and slung it to the Goliath's face. The stone sank into his forehead, and he fell face down on the ground. David triumphed over the giant.
Oh my god, the little boy wasn't crazy. He was more faithful and more courageous than us. And like the boy, we can be victorious in God's power as well, if we have faith and courage in God. Thank you, Lord.
This is the end of the story. So what was the life lesson for you? And what did you learn from the story? Please leave us a comment, and if you liked this video, please click the like, get the notification bell, and
Subscribe!